Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, you will learn on how you can use the Onesite property management software. So first thing that you should do here is you just have to open any of your web browser, and then using the search bar at the top, you just have to search for Onesite property management. All right, and then you would be able to see these websites. So you just have to simply tap on this one. All right, so once you're here, the OneSite property management software is you have to request a demo if you want to see the features of this tool, or download the ebook. So you have these options right here, or you can also contact them via this contact number that you can see at the top right of your screen. Okay, so since we cannot really request for one, what we're going to do here is to discuss the solutions that this software is offering. Okay, so here, let us start with the marketing advertising. Okay, so here, for the multifamily marketing solutions that deliver, the marketing is all about finding the best leads at the right time for the right price. So they do this by knowing renters better than anyone else. So the marketing solutions, G5 and Lease Labs, innovative every step of the renter's journey. So using the predictive technology, they deliver more engaging experiences for renters while increasing portfolio revenue for their customers. So you can contact them to learn more about the approach to the marketing. So here we have the smart digital advertising. So the proprietary solution combines expert vertical strategies and predictive technology to deliver best-in-class advertising solutions to find more of the right renters in your market. Call scoring. So the AI-driven technology scores every phone call done on a daily basis, predicts where we'll find highest conversions, and moves your ad spend to the right campaigns daily. And for the integrated website, performance website designed to engage and convert traffic into leads with sophisticated aesthetics, compelling copy, accessibility, and pricing and availability updated hourly directly from your PMS. Okay, and for the smart SEO, get found in search pages through a combination of technical SEO as the foundation of your website. So on page keyword strategies and leading Google business profile optimization. Okay, now for the leasing and lead management. All right, so here we have the touring solutions, online leasing, and contact center. So for the touring solution, it provides flexible, convenient, and innovative touring options for prospects across multiple channels right from your website. So to increase prospect engagement, save cost, and boost leasing conversion rate. And for the online leasing, you can transform the apartment leasing experience for your staff and prospects. So capture and drive higher conversions for every floor plan and make operations more efficient with this fully online leasing process. For the contact center, can never miss a call, email, text, or chat. So the RealPage Contact Center is equipped with augmented intelligence to track communications and personalized prospect follow-up to encourage tours. And for AI screening, revolutionary resident screening algorithms help you fill vacant apartment units with more reliable renters, access the industry's largest rental payment history database, and optimize occupancy. For the customer relationship manager with performance analytics, it's a state-of-the-art centralized leasing suite delivering lead management, communication, automation, and enabling you to optimize your lead close rates and marketing dollars. Plus, capture data from all leasing calls for a complete view of call performance and using the most advanced analytics tools and cover actionable insights to help you accelerate positive outcomes. Now, let's proceed to the property management. Okay, so right here, for the property operations, simplify property management with the AI-powered automation. So with an intuitive AI-powered experience, the OneSite simplifies workflows, elevates user performance, and accelerates training and onboarding. So the OneSite optimizes performance across the entire property management lifecycle, from marketing and leasing to operations and accounting, and redefines the resident's experience powered by market-leading innovation. So the Onesite operates on a modern, secure, and future-ready platform, ensuring seamless integrations, compliance, and continuous advancement. Okay, so here you can automate your routine. So the Real Page Accounting and Financial Suites is your comprehensive financial management platform. It is designed to streamline the operations, enhance the decision making, and drive portfolio wide success. Built on a modern, scalable architecture, it integrates seamlessly with your property management system, delivering real time insights and automation to optimize every financial process. So here, the core property management financial solutions. So we have the vendor payments, utility reimbursement cards, and petty cash cards. So here is the cycles, financial reporting and budget variance analysis, the real page budgeting, forecasting and planning, the job cost and replacement reserves. So you have all that information right here. Okay, so for the facilities management, okay, so here we have the real-time maintenance management from your pocket. So you can keep your maintenance technicians productive on property while delivering exceptional resident experience through the advanced mobile technology, real-time insight, and streamlined workflows. So the Real Page maintenance management software modernizes your maintenance operations with cutting-edge capabilities that reduce response times, optimize resource allocation, and control operational costs across your entire portfolio, leverage intelligent reporting, IoT integration or Internet of Things, and comprehensive mobile-first tools to transform maintenance efficiency. So we have advanced mobile facilities app, centralized property portfolio management, NSPAR compliant tools, asset management integration, due diligence capabilities, comprehensive reporting, and analytics. So here, why choose the Real Page Maintenance Management? It is integrated with its ecosystem, portfolio-wide intelligence, mobile-first design, and compliance leadership. Now, for the learning management. Okay, so for the learning management right here, you can activate your staff potential with Real Connect. So we have 360-degree content coverage, mobile-first social learning, customizable language experience, intuitive dashboard for all, tracking and upscaling, learning pathways, and cohort learning. Next is we have the document management. Okay, so here you can get more done in less time. So with Onesite document management, the Onesite users have the ability to standardize forms across their portfolio, ensuring they have consistent workflows and that their sites are using only corporate approved forms. And by leveraging eSign to electronically sign lease packets, applications, and able to execute leases quickly and conveniently, so your property can move them in faster. So if you want more information about this software, so you just have to visit your website, and if you are eligible to request for a demo, then you just have to request a demo and then provide your information. Okay, so that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.